Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can add the Linktree link to your TikTok bio. This tutorial is step by step, so make sure you follow carefully. Firstly, we log into our Linktree account, then we use already prepared link, or we create it like I did here. I used tiktok.com for example. After that, I went to pick appearance to get a fancy theme for viewers, but if you already have that prepared, you don't have to do this step. Then we copy our Linktree link and go bit.ly.com, where we convert our link. And when you have your link converted, we now open TikTok and go straight to edit profile. Then among all options we go to website. Here I have already one website, but for you it will probably be blank, so you just paste converted link here. And basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials like this.